Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project, sitting by my firewood. There's a reason I'm sitting by my firewood for this video. I was gone all day and traded some labor for some firewood. So there's this location where I can get some firewood for a really good price. It's aged, dry hardwood, mostly oak I think. And we're low on funds. YouTube has cut our income. I finally built back up to a certain level, and then my job with DIY Tube was cut because I was earning enough here on YouTube again, and then within a few days time YouTube cut by 30% again. Don't know why, but they just cut it. Like, my views are up, everything else is up. I started making more videos. This was before summer camp, by the way. And all of a sudden, boom, views are up and income dropped. So, and they don't tell us anything. There's nothing we can do. So, our income is 1/3 of the poverty level at this time. Therefore, I am working outside the homestead. Today is Friday, August something. I forgot. I think 9th. I'm not sure. Today is Friday, 9th or 10th. Well, anyway, I had to work outside the property and did some painting work in exchange for some firewood that I got to cut. But anyway, it's a good deal. And also, I found a wood stove that I did not pay for, by the way, that we had to dig out from deep buried into a certain place, and it is a old wood cook stove. It's an antique wood cook stove with a four burner cooking top and a griddle and an oven for baking, as well as a water heater, and not the built-in hang on the side 5-gallon water heater. This is a cast iron water jacket built into the firebox, which heats water tremendously fast. I want to experiment and see. I'm going to get it to the homestead. We don't have a way to get it here right now, but I want to get it to the homestead and experiment and see how long it'll burn on softwood and hardwood, on the two different woods. And I want to first burn it out and clean it. It's been sitting around a while and mice have had their way inside it. And I want to completely sterilize it through and through. And then experiment with it. See if it could be a good wood stove for the off-grid tiny house on wheels. So if that turns out, we'll be bringing it here to the property. We'll be checking it out together. I'll show you on video. If it works out for us, then that could end up being inside our tiny house. I do prefer the wood stove that's in it right now because of the fact that you load it up with pine and it'll burn 8 hours straight. The only problem is the way the house is set up is for a top exhaust wood stove, and that's a back exhaust wood stove, and we had some issues with the flow through the winter. And that's the only problem. I haven't decided how to work around that yet. And also, well, that was it. That was my only thing right there. I'm looking at the how this is hooked up with the wood stove here and the chimney and everything. That's the only deal. So I've got to figure out how I want to work with that and if the wood cook stove is the way to go. But the big deal for me is going to be how long it will burn on a load of pine. We'll burn pine by day, and then a load of oak, because we'll burn oak at night. That's what I've decided. Regardless of what stove I use this year, we're going to burn pine by day and oak at night, because pine burns hotter and faster, and will be, it's fine while we're awake and we're home. Oak will be if we have to leave or something, or sleep. But that's it. So then I did some painting. I'm still getting the paint off my hands. And now it's 6:30 in the evening. I worked only until what? It was 2:30 this afternoon when I finished working on the paint job. And then we had lunch and some guests came over. And then because it was really hot, it knocked me out. And I took a nap. Whoa, there's a little fly biting me through my socks. Pretty brutal. Hurts and itches. Anyway, it knocked me out, that heat. And I just got up a little bit ago, half hour ago. So that's pretty much my day. That's it. Unless something comes up. I'm working on videos on my tactical channel. I'm going to be working on videos on the my do-it-yourself electronics channel on DIY Tube video community. By the way, DIY Tube is growing, and I'm getting over 350 some odd views on some of my videos as I release them on DIY Tube. So it's really taken off, and there's no trolls. It's a troll-free community. I'm not earning money on it anymore, but there is hope for that for the future, so I am still building it up, and a lot of people are uploading their videos there, and it's a very good, diverse community. It is clean. Somebody tried to destroy it by uploading a bunch of pretty harsh and bloody stuff while I was on my summer camp vacation, but we took care of that. And then somebody, for a while there, was trying to upload full-length, brand new 2018 movies, and then turning us in for violations. Took care of that. Not a problem. So everything's good. You can go check it out, guys. And it's dinner time, I guess. We'll see what we can do around here at the homestead. I'm cleaning up in the electronics lab. But, you know, because I was gone all day, that's how it goes. All you get today is a sit-down chat and a summary of our day. So thanks for watching, guys. We do make videos every day on the homestead of our lives here on Off-Grid Homestead, and taking our property fully off the grid, looking for ways to save on our bills and reduce our costs, and trying to become fully self-sufficient on a budget. So please do like, subscribe, and share, and follow our daily videos. Talk to you later. I gotta try to pry this cat off my arm. Rah.